Hey everyone, so Google's first ever smartwatch got delayed several times. It was expected to go official alongside Pixel 6 and 6 Pro smartphones last year. But now it seems that the wait for the Pixel fans could come to an end. Google will hold its annual I/O event next month, where the search engine giant is expected to showcase its mid-range Pixel 6a and its first ever smartwatch. And now Android Central has shared some real-life images of the Pixel watch. It is claimed that the watch in the images could be the testing model for the internal Pixel team. As for the design, it looks identical to the leaked renders that we saw in the past. The watch features super slim bezels with minimalist design. According to the source, the watch looks metallic but feels like it is coated with glass. Unfortunately, the test unit found by the source doesn't go beyond the booting screen when switched on. It only shows G logo in white color with black background, meaning that it is not possible to see what the OS could look like. This could mean that there is no OS installed on the test unit. But according to rumors, the watch is likely to feature Wear OS 3, which Google developed in collaboration with Samsung. The watch was also found with a blue colored strap that appears to be a proprietary band designed for the watch, which indicates it may not allow users to swap out watch bands. The source also mentions that there was no charger found with the test unit, but there is a possibility that the device could be charged from the back of the watch like the Apple Watch. As for the launch, Google will probably showcase the Pixel Watch at I/O 2022 and announce it alongside the Pixel 7 series later this year. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.